In this video, we are trying out the Italian high-speed train. We will be traveling from Rome to Florence, and our journey begins right here at Rome's Termini station.
Okay, hello from Rome Termini, and we're ready to go to the next stop, which is Florence, and we'll be taking the Trenitalia from here. Termini is the main railway station of Rome and is in fact the second largest railway station in Europe. The name Termini comes from Terme, the Latin name for ancient baths that were found in this area of Rome.
Being a major hub, the station is quite busy with several domestic and international services. There are almost 80 services to Florence each day, with half of them being high-speed. It takes 1 hour and 35 minutes to cover the 274 kilometers journey on the high-speed trains.
Tickets for this train can be bought online or at one of the billetterias at the station. Train companies in Italy use dynamic pricing, and the train prices can vary from 20 euros to 50 euros if booked at the last minute. Having purchased our tickets already online, we pass through the gates to our platform.
The station had several information displays to make it easier to locate the train. There was a common entrance to all the platforms through a centralized ticket gate. And here is the first look at our ride for today.
Italy actually has two high-speed train operators, Trenitalia and Italo. Today we are on the Trenitalia, which is on the left, but you can also see the Italo on the right. Trenitalia themselves have two different rolling stock. Today we are taking the Frecciarossa, which can reach a top speed of 400 km per hour, but it is operationally limited to 300. The trains have the model information on the side, along with an info display for the route and coach number.
We booked in the second class, and here's what it looked like inside. The coaches are in a 2-2 configuration, and they're super modern and sleek. Each seat had a foldable tray and a footrest. There was plenty of room to store big luggage overhead.
And as with all trains in Europe so far, this one also left on time. Having enjoyed every moment of our stay in Rome, it was very sad to say bye to this historic city. As we left the station, we saw the Leonardo Airport Express, which we covered in the last video. This is a Frecciarossa, which is a tilting high-speed train that goes up to 250 km per hour.
The train had a very detailed moving map which allowed us to check the speed and the location as we traveled. These trains are so comfortable that it doesn't even feel like we're going that fast. There is a pantry car on board which has some light snack options. Unlike the other trains, this pantry didn't seem to have any social space.
Back to the window, we were traveling so fast and soon we got a glimpse of the Tuscan countryside. Tuscany, whose capital is Florence, is a central region of Italy, known for its landscapes, history and art influences. The famous Italian sculptor and painter Michelangelo hails from this area, and his famous art David features in the Accademia Gallery. Again, it is interesting to see the change in building style and architecture going from Rome to Florence.
And here we are pulling into Firenze Santa Maria Novella, which is named after the nearby First Church of Florence. And here is another Frecciarossa ready to head back to Rome.
That was a very comfortable and efficient ride, and probably the best high-speed train we have taken in Europe so far. Just make sure to book your tickets in advance to avoid the higher fares. And here is another close-up look at our ride for today. It really is a beauty.
Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel for more travel content.